And getting that undercoat in. 07 Dodge Charger. And getting it together. Still gotta clean that up until just back part there. Alright, getting that floor back in there. Back part of the seat in. Back liner in. Getting it together. Getting it together, dog. Alright, back on the Charger. Now we done got the Suburban out the way. Got the motor out of that, got it out the way. We're gonna get back on this Charger. See, I got the front wheel off. They kind of locked up. I think the brakes were locked up. We're gonna get started on these brakes. We're gonna change the pads, rotors, and the calipers. I think I'm gonna change just the front calipers. I might do all the way around. We're gonna see what's up. We're gonna have to change the oil and everything, but yeah, we busy. We ready. Okay, so we're doing the oil change on the Dodge Charger 07 Hemi. Oh man, first thing we notice, that is milky milkshake oil. And that's a bad sign that might have a blown head gasket because the coolant mixing with the oil. So we gotta go ahead and check that out. You know what I'm saying? And see what we got going on from there. Alright, Tube, what up, man? You know what I'm saying? Your boy Ave. Back at the Charger, you know what I'm saying? Police Charger with the 5.7 Hemi. About to get ready to I don't know if we got to the bad news yet, but the head gaskets are blown on it. I don't know which one it is, but I'm gonna change the head gaskets. Did an oil change on it, put some coolant in it, and the coolant started mixing with the oil. So you know what that means. So yep, we gonna get to it. Yep. So first thing first, we be getting these wires unhooked. Getting everything detached from it. They gotta come loose. First step. Alright, so we got the intake off. Got the valve covers off on the left side. We still got to get the one off on the right side. Got the both loose. You got to get the other ones loose off in there. You got to get in there with like some type of swivel socket or angle socket. It's kind of a tight position to get in there. It can be done. Alright, tube. So we got the heads off. You know what I'm saying? 5.7 V8 Hemi. 07 Dodge Charger. Police Charger, actually. They blown head gaskets, so we replacing them. Finally got them off. See that wire been chewed up by the mice too. We gotta replace that. Just rewire with a new wire. Alright. Okay, what I did was just got through sanding down the cylinder head, getting it clean. Before I put the new gasket on, I just used this brush with a wire wheel on it. Nothing too rough, you know what I'm saying? Just to clean it up, get the surface cool, you know what I'm saying? And then I spray it with some brake cleaner and clean it up a little bit, spray it down. Yep. Then I'm gonna do the same thing to the other. And then I'm gonna grind these bolts down till they flat and drill them out. So that way I'll be able to put new bolts through them, because those rusted out obviously. And I do that with both of them. Show you how it's done.